Welcome back to the Hip Hop Breakdown. Let's get right into it. Here we go. Start off with Leo Walk. 6, 8. 1, 2. Disco step variation. Look. Little slow-mo right there. And that little camel walk right there. All right. Before we break it down any further, I want to thank Rico. This is out of my intermediate dance class at Mission College. Thank you, Rico. So today we're going to do some locking, and we're going to start with the Leo Walk. Leo Walk is an awesome move out of the locking styles. Before I go any further, Leo Walk, there's so many versions of Leo Walk, and I want to tell you that this version, there's different versions, but this particular version I learned from Skeeter Rabbit. So anyways, here we go. Let's start it. Let's break it down. Halftime, here we go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Okay, let's go back. The and 1. Check this one. And 1. You see how, rewind it back, the N, I lift up my knee around the hip high, maybe a little bit more. So I really want to exaggerate this step. Okay, so I pick up my knee, pick up my entire foot, up, 1, and 1, step on the 1, and I shift my heel out. That's my and 2. There, I know there are different versions, or they shift the knee out instead. But this is one of the versions that I learned from Skeeter Rabbit. 1 and 2, and 3, and 4. All right, so we're just gonna repeat this. And 5, and 6. Now notice I'm gonna rewind it back again. So the first leg I pick up, okay. And 1, and on the 2, watch the feet. This is a slide. I slide it in, okay? So I don't pick it up anymore. 2, okay? Watch the 3, and 3. So I pick up, pivot, slide in. Pick up, down, pivot out, and slide in, okay? So that's the Leo Walk for this version of Leo Walk. Let's finish this. And 8. So I'm going to finish the 8 right here. Okay, finish. This is my 8. And let's check this out. Tempo. Here we go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. All right. Good. Moving forward. I have 1 and 2. 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. That's the slow. So this is a little bit a different variation of like a disco step. Again, disco step is part of the locking dance form. Here we go. 1 and 2. Slide on the 2. 3 and 4. It's like a pas de bourrée. Little pose on the 7. All right, like a little Kodak moment right there. Let's check it out. Tempo. Here we go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. All right, so that's it. Continue forward. Here we go. Look on the 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the slow-mo. Clap on an 8. Now, one thing I want to do, I want to stress is this look right here. This is very locking, the essence of locking. You're getting that head. Watch the head. The head doesn't just turn. The head kind of takes a dip, makes this big circular loop right there. So, and 1. See how the head goes? Room. Make a big circle. And 2. So that little whip, that makes it funky versus just turning the head. All right. So we have and 1, 2, and 3, 4. 3, 4, 7, 8. All right, so let's check it out tempo. 1, 2. I want to point out the 6. So the slow-mo, you guys see the slow-mo right here. Boom. And right when I drop my leg down on 6, watch this feet. This is my left foot. Boom. Okay. So the heel comes up, pop the knee right there. Boom. And I'm landing pretty flat-footed. So my right foot is pretty flat. Boom. See? Flat. Bam. Hold the 7, clap on the 8. Okay? All right. Let's check it out. Okay, so that was slow. We're locking here, and this is like a camel walk. Boom, boom, camel walk. Okay, and we're locking with it. Okay, check it out tempo. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, all right. Put it all together. Here we go. Remember, start off the Leo walk. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide into disco step. Then we got the look. Slow-mo. Locked in with the camel walk. Okay? All right, guys. So that is it for today. This is our simple locking section in here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, definitely hit that like button, share with those that can benefit from it, and definitely subscribe if you haven't already. All right, well, until next time, I'll see you. Have fun practicing. Peace.